Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login It. In this video, I will guide you on how to change text color in Adobe Express. Adobe Express is a platform where you can create any kind of document that you want. So if you need help changing text color in Adobe Express, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, open any browser of your choice, or you can even directly open the Adobe Express app. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type express.adobe.com. Press enter. Now here you'll be led to the official website of Adobe Express. You can create any document that you want. You can even start from your own content, or you can create presentation, Instagram posts, etc. Here I'm selecting presentation. You can see here presentation file is opened. You can directly select the templates over here. If you want to add the text, look at the left. Here you can see several options like search, your stuff, upload templates, etc. You have to click on the text option. Now click on add your text. Now enter anything that you want. Now if you want to change the text color, just select the text. Simply click on the text and press Ctrl A, or you can even drag the mouse, scroll down. Now look at the left and you can see several options over here. Fill and outline. All you have to do is click on fill option. Here you can see several colors. You can select the colors like this. Simply drag the cursor to the color that you want. Or you can go to swatches and select the color from here. So that is how you change text color in Adobe Express. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.